Have you been wondering, what is jasmine essential oil good for? Or how do I use jasmine essential oil on my face? In this video, I'll share with you some of the common uses for jasmine essential oil and what it blends well with, and even some fun facts. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, and I'm an essential oil educator. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. I've been educating people about the power of essential oils for the last 8 years, and I'm so excited to talk with you about jasmine essential oil. Stick around till the end, and I'll show you how to grab my free essential oil usage guide with over 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. Before I get into this video, I would love for you to share your favorite tips, so go ahead and comment below some of your favorite ways to use jasmine. Sweet and captivating, the dainty white blossoms are popular in bridal bouquets around the world. They're also associated with religious ceremonies and are used to adorn shrines in the Buddhist and Hindu temples. Although native to the tropics, jasmine is cultivated in gardens around the world. Thanks to its beautiful blossoms and exquisite fragrances, the aroma of jasmine oil has been almost universal appeal. Intensely floral, its warm, sweet, musky, and exotic scent is amazing. Due to the delicate nature of the blossoms, jasmine cannot be distilled like other flowers. Instead, a precious, highly concentrated absolute is made from the flowers. It takes thousands of freshly picked petals to produce one 5-milliliter bottle of jasmine absolute. There are over 200 varieties of jasmine, most of which are native to warmer climates in northern Africa and southern Asia. doTERRA's jasmine is sourced in Egypt from royal jasmine flower petals. Royal jasmine is the most sought-after fragrance in the perfume and aromatherapy industries, thanks to its superior aroma. doTERRA standards takes it to the next level with added health benefits. So, where do you apply jasmine oil? Jasmine oil can be applied to pulse points for calming aroma that uplifts moods and promotes a positive outlook on life. It evokes feelings of joy, peace, and self-confidence. In addition, jasmine oil provides a myriad of benefits to the mind and the body. When worn as a personal fragrance on the wrists and the neck, jasmine oil helps balance the mood throughout the month and is highly sought after for its ability to stir feelings of euphoria and romance. Is jasmine oil good for skin? Well, jasmine oil promotes a healthy-looking, glowing complexion and reduces the appearance of blemishes, fine lines, and wrinkles. It can be applied to the scalp to nourish and protect the skin. So, how do you use jasmine essential oil? Jasmine can be used aromatically, topically, and internally. It can be applied neat to the skin. You can apply it on your wrists and on your neck as a personal fragrance. The aroma's intensely floral and warm and musky, so it's a perfect scent for a fun perfume. Jasmine is also known to reduce the appearance of skin imperfections and promote healthy-looking, radiant skin. And because of its convenient application in a roll-on bottle that doTERRA offers, its combination with fractionated coconut oil, you can apply Jasmine Touch directly to your skin imperfections in the morning and at night. Not only will it help reduce the appearances of skin imperfections, but it will also leave your skin with a beautiful, glowing complexion. Jasmine oil blends well with Hawaiian sandalwood, Roman chamomile, bergamot, cedarwood, and rosemary essential oils. Here are a few fun facts. It takes 8 pounds of jasmine blossoms just to distill one 5-milliliter bottle of essential oil. That's about 20,000 hand-picked blossoms one by one. Wow, the chemistry of jasmine flowers significantly changes throughout the day. The flowers used in doTERRA's Jasmine Touch are harvested in the morning when the chemical compounds are the most aromatic. So there you have some of my favorite tips and facts about jasmine essential oil. And now it's freebie time. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free essential oil usage guide with common uses and so much more. Go ahead and click the link in the description below, put your email in, and it'll show up in your box shortly thereafter. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. Hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And please reach out to me if you want a free wellness consultation or if you're interested in getting some essential oils at 25% off. Have a great day. Bye-bye.